My name is Steve Petry. I'm the Manufacturing Supervisor in Spring City Electrical's machine shop. Anything that gets machined, whether it be turning or milling or drilling, goes through our department. What I like about my position here at Spring City was the freedom given to me to oversee new fixturing and improve the machining speeds and reduce cycle times. Before I came here, I owned my own machine shop for 25 years. If I didn't work, I didn't get paid basically, so it was to my benefit to find programs, fixturing and such to manufacture parts as quickly as possible. How efficiency plays into quality from my department goes hand in hand with assembly, ultimately providing a solid product for the customer. Anything that's not manufactured correctly reflects or falls back on me. What makes Spring City unique is the fact that we manufacture fixturing and light poles, have an old world look to them, but are modernized with LED technology for the lighting. Since I came on board Spring City, I probably never looked at a light pole or a fixture driving down the street. Now everywhere I go, I look for fixturing or light poles to see if they're ours, or if they're not ours, possibly they might look inferior, as well as traveling in other cities and such. But it's always exciting to see something that we have produced, especially in some of the larger venues and events around the country for sporting events and such. When I look at Spring City as a whole and how long its existence has been, to know that we're one of the #1 American manufacturers is huge, and that's part of why I came on board as well. I believe in the company, and it's something I want to see succeed, and my tenure here has given direct impact on what we see going out the door as far as product goes, and by getting parts made faster, it's a win-win for everybody. It allows our sales to create more sales, meeting deadlines, makes our customers happy. So as a company as a whole, that's a home run in my book.